So you have a very special organization of the fair, which for the first night only curators are coming, and second night collectors are coming. Why do you organize a fair like that?
Normally, a lot of the gallerists ultimately want to place work in museums, in great collections, but they're busy speaking to collectors, making the sales. And Chart is really about creating space and time to talk to the museum directors, to talk to the curators who take more time to create a sale, but it's usually one of the bigger pieces, and this is something you can actually see in the fair as well. There are like very last year, for example, there was a Franz West sculpture who then has been talked to the museum directors, and this year we have a lot of new works. For example, Alicia Quade, she made a completely new work. We have a solo booth by Sam Moya, so it's really some great international names that actually come to the Nordic region as well. So we want to create a platform for the museum curators to actually interact with us in this sphere here at home. Where
who was the Franz West sold to? Can you say it?
I have to look it up.
Thank you.